He is stronger in the dark. When you light up all the rooms, it will get weaker. And okay. Give us that. Kailangan namin yan. All we need is to light up the whole room. But how? Bring back the generator on? Ay, hindi. Sinira niya mga bumbilya eh. Alright. Boop. Nothing to say. What's that sound? Oh, ang dumilim, bro. Huh? Kailangan natin ng apoy para din eh. Where's that sound coming from? Ano yun? Baby, stay there. What the heck? Yung bang character natin? Bro, we're toast in this reflection. Napaka-disturbing ito ah. Oh my goodness.